Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see, does the Redmi A5 support fast charging or not? Now to check if the Redmi A5 supports fast charging or not, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search Redmi A5. Now just scroll down and open this website on your smartphone. Now just tap on specs. From here, just scroll down. Now, as you can see in the battery and charging section, Xiaomi says that the Redmi A5 supports 15 watts of charging. Now, as you can see, Xiaomi is marketing it as fast charging. But in today's standards, 15 watts is not considered as fast charging, as it charges your battery from 0% to 100% in around 2 hours. And this is how you can check if the Redmi A5 supports fast charging or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.